Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to talk about THG today. Given that there are only 2 hours left till the initial box sales, it is very important to talk about how news affects price action and what do you do about it. And let's begin. So if you were just looking at a daily candle of THG and you see this massive green spike right here, you may be wondering, oh no, am I getting left behind by the market? I better buy now. That FOMO instinct that you have, or the fear of missing out, is a very natural instinctive mechanism that we have as humans. Unfortunately, it is also a very bad habit when it comes to investing. So one of the more famous crypto YouTubers, Coinskid, I do look up to him. He's one of my biggest inspirations as to why I started the channel. He has a very famous saying, if you buy big green candles, you get big red dildos. And you can see it from the daily charts of THG. If you buy big green candles, what do you get after? You get big red dildos. So that's actually one of the best advice that I could ever tell you, especially when it comes to very successful crypto projects like THG. But then you're wondering, okay, what do I do now? What do I do when there's a mooning situation where a token has been up 44% since the day started? So in THG's case, there are a number of things that we can refer to. One is, remember, we were tracking THG when it comes to the levels that it has to go to in order to achieve $22. So you can already see here that, again, the Fibonacci levels are very useful when planning out a course of action when it comes to trying to enter on a mooning candle. Why is that? It's because if you look at it carefully, look at where the price has been resting. So the price has rested on the 786. The 786 was a resistance level yesterday, but now it formed as a support level and has been since going up. Another thing to note is the 1272 right here, which is around $12, has acted as resistance. We tried to rally past this 1272, but it failed. So this is where laying the fibs becomes really useful when really trying to see what's a good course to enter. If we look at the lower time frames, you can actually see this already playing out. So let me just show you. So as you can see right here, we are starting to really rise up the levels on a 4-hour time frame. If you really have to enter, what do you aim for? Aim for the support levels. Look at where the candles have rallied and look at where the candles have rested. So right now, in the previous 4-hour candle, the 1272 acted as resistance here and has since gone on a red candle right here, which has tested support of $1. So, assuming that this price action will slow down soon, post-sale, you can expect something like this, where the price will start bouncing off the 1 if it breaks down, and if you want to buy more THG, what do you go for? You go for the next level, which is 786. If in case that after this candle, the price rallies, where do you go? So if you really need to buy it today, always go for the fib levels as support. So it's either it goes down right here, or if it rallies up, it will eventually rest somewhere, and that's when you aim for the Fibonacci levels as key buying levels before continuation. But again, overall though, I really do not recommend FOMOing in at the moment because I do understand the frustration if you have not bought THG yet, but rest assured, what comes up will always come down. And that's it. Just a reminder, once again, a very important saying, if you buy green candles, you get big red dildos. Never buy a project that is currently mooning. Always buy at support. Always buy at key Fibonacci levels when they're back tested as support. Never buy them when they are currently testing levels at resistance. Okay? If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. If you also want me to track other gaming cryptos, just leave it in the comments box below and I'll look at it in the future. Until then, that's all for me. Bye-bye.